Today I'm going to demonstrate the exciting new range of easy to use compact riveters from Eclipse. There are three products in the range. We have the mini compact, we've got the compact and the lazy top. Okay, so we've got two plates of steel, pre-drilled holes. Yeah, we're going to rivet these two pieces of metal together, secure them in the vise. Pick up our riveter, which has already got loaded the 5mm nose. In goes the rivet, and it's as simple and easy as that. And the broken stem is now trapped, caught in the collector. So no risk of that falling on the floor, contaminated in machinery. All nice and safe and contained. So to change the nose, it's a 6mm rivet. It's no tools needed. Straight in, and then we're ready to go. We've got the storage for 4 noses, 5 noses altogether.